Welcome to Adventure Island. There are many treasures waiting to be found. Let's begin our treasure hunt.
Dear passengers, welcome aboard the little train K3418. This train will pass through snow mountain, desert, grassland. Passengers need to have their tickets checked to get on the train. Examine the luggage. Dangerous items are not gasoline. Fruit knife. Well done! You found all the dangerous items. Where would you like to sit? Thank you. The trick. Wow, we can build a snowman now. It's so cold. Please help me put on a warm coat and gloves. Tap the tick button and go. Now I'm ready. Let's go and build a snowman. Roll the snowball to make it bigger. Great! Now we've made the body of the snowman. Next, let's find some branches to make the snowman's arms. Find some branches to make the arms for the snowman. Find some branches to make the arm. Wow! You found all the branches! Drag the branches and stick them in the snowball. Let's choose a pair of beautiful eyes for the snowman. Let's decorate the snowman. The snowman will look better with a nose. Finally, let's add some decorations to it. Wow! You've made a beautiful snowman! The train is about to turn. Which way do you want to go? Roger that! The train is about to turn. Please sit tight and hold on. We are arriving at the loading area. Please load the goods onto the train. Tap the button to lift the goods in the box. Great! You've loaded the goods! Passengers need to have their tickets checked to get on the train. Where would you like to sit?
Thanks. Thanks.
We are arriving at the delivery spot. Please put the goods into the lift truck. Drag the goods into the lift truck. Thank you for the delivery.
Boarding race.
Candy.
Woo!
Kiki. White sheep.
Yeah!
Ready.
Go, go, go! Go, go, go! Go, go, go!
Great! You finished the race. Let's attend the presentation of prizes. Awesome! You're the first place. The train is about to turn. Which way do you want to go? Roger that! The train is about to turn. Please sit tight and hold on. We should comply with the order and be a civilized passenger. Uh-oh, the track ahead is deviated. Let's turn it to the right place. Good job, you fixed the track. passengers need to have their tickets checked to get on the train. Examine the luggage. Fruit knife. Hammer. Firework. Well done! You found all the dangerous items. Thanks. The train is approaching grassland pasture. Please take all your belongings and get off in an orderly manner.
Let's milk the cow and make some milk tea.
The cow is a little dirty. Let's clean it first. Good job! The cow is clean now. Oops, the cow is a little upset. Let's cheer it up. That's great! The cow is happy now. Next, let's milk the cow together. Tap to milk the cow. Drag the basin and move it to the right place. Now we've got milk. Let's make some milk tea. Slide the wooden pestle downward to break the brick tea. Brick tea. Milk. Butter. Salt. Stir it. Great! The milk tea is ready.
Let's eat.
Please pour me a cup of milk tea. I'm so full! The food here is so good! Dear passengers, we are arriving at the terminal station. Please check your belongings before you get off.
Miss Mimi!
Everyone, this is the end of our journey. See you next time.